Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I have a super easy DIY recipe that will tighten the pores and tighten your whole face and only uses one ingredient, flax seeds. So if you want to learn how to make it, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to receive notifications for when I post new videos. Now let's get to it. Flax seeds are super amazing for your health and your skin because it's super high in omega-3 fatty acids as well as vitamin A, B, and E. All you're going to need to do is blend this in your regular blender until you get a fine powder texture, or you can also buy the flax seeds already powdered, and they all should be in the same aisle in your supermarket. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. All you're going to need is 2 tablespoons of flaxseed powder and 4 tablespoons of water. Mix it all together. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens. I just got this with a mask and it's so cute. What do you guys think? Make sure to remove all your makeup and wash your face. The best way to apply this mask is to pat it in slowly until your face is completely covered because it's very kind of gel-like texture. So if you just smooth it out, you will remove the mask. So just pat it in. So you just pat it in and you see like it becomes almost like a clay, and apply it all over the face. I just finished applying the mask. Now I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. I just washed my face and as you guys can see, my pores look a lot tighter. My face is super soft and it feels a lot firmer. This is an amazing mask to do at least once a week and also great to do right before you do your makeup. You don't have to do all over your face. You can just put on the areas that you have large pores and it gives you that special effect that the pore fillers do, but in a natural way. And that way your foundation applies flawless. So it's a great mask to do before you do your makeup, but also weekly as a beauty treatment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful week. Bye.